So hello, today we will try could you make AC power from the DC 18650 batteries. So we have couple of these batteries, we have three of these batteries 18650, and you can see the power and the voltage rating of this battery. I can focus on that. As you see, 7.2 watt per hour, 2000 mAh battery, and terminal voltage is 3.6 up to 4.2 volt. So we have same capacity batteries, three of them. So now before going to start the video, I want to say something that if you want to connect these batteries into the series connection, be aware that every battery is same capacity. So if you have different capacity, different current rating batteries, then don't connect those into series connection, because the series connection must be maintained same capacity for each battery. If you want to connect them in parallel, be aware that every cell is same voltage, because if they are different voltage, they are going to charge the low voltage battery from the high voltage battery, and due to the discharging of this current, they may be get hotter and they may be get boom. So please don't try at home if you don't have the knowledge about 18650s. And whenever you connect them in series, try to connect with a BMS, battery management system. If you don't have those, then please be maintain the same capacity and the same current for each cell. So let us start the video. So we have three 18650 batteries with same capacity and same terminal voltage. So we can measure though what is the terminal voltage. We have a digital multimeter to measure the voltage and the capacity of these batteries, and we have a cheap mini inverter. I can buy this from Amazon with a couple of dollars. You can buy it from anywhere. There have no voltage rating or current rating in this box. I can use it and let's test it, is that good or not. The link of this product is in the description, you can check it and you can buy it. So first of all, we have to measure the terminal voltage and the capacity of each battery. So you can see them reading here. I can measure these batteries. The terminal voltage is 3.7. Let's check the next cell. The terminal voltage of this battery is 3.6. The terminal voltage of third battery is 3.68. That means this battery's voltage are although same, but due to the discharge, their terminal voltage may be increased or decreased. So now let's see the current rating of this battery. So 3.86. This is the terminal current of this battery. 3.77, 3.82. That's mean the terminal current is although it's same. And don't forget to connect a BMS, battery management system, when you charging this or discharging this, or you are using this on a battery pack, because to maintain the discharge and charge current, you must have to connect a BMS with a battery pack. But here we are just want to see for a couple of minutes and see what happens. So we are not using a BMS, although it's good for the battery life. So let's check this with series connections. So this mini inverter needs 12 volt and we have 3.7 volt for each cell. If we connect this 3 cell in a series connection, we can get up to 12 volt. You can multiply 3 with 3.7 volt. That much of voltage you can get from a series connection of this 3 cell. So let's connect those. So in this mini inverter, as you see, there have a main power indicator, overload indicator and low battery indicator. That means when this battery is get down from 2.5 volt, this inverter is automatically switched off. That means it's not deeply discharged these batteries. So as you can see now, let's connect them with the series battery. As you can see, our main indicator is light on. That means this inverter is working. Now let's try this with the charger and try to charge my phone. So here we have a HTC phone and this is our charger. So let's connect this. So now let's connect once again. As you can see, so as you see, the phone is getting charged. As you see, our phone is charging. This is charging, you can see this charging. Now we can disconnect, it's gone. When we connect again, it's going to be charged again. As we see, we can charge the phone from this battery system.